afternoon to everyone. Hi, I'm D. Ganesh. I am from Nirmal. I have completed my graduation in Sri Chaitanya Institute of Technological Sciences in Computer Science and Engineering stream. And after completing my graduation, I joined in Qspiders as a testing course. And after joining testing course, I've done a lot of projects, and my mentors are Asim ma'am and Devakar sir and Rajat sir, also Rick sir. I also done a lot of projects during my testing course. Also, whenever I have a lot of doubts, I have clarified doubts by attending grooming sessions, and which helped me to improve my technical skills. And also coming to my projects, I have done different projects on testing, trail application, and different projects. So which I gained a lot of practical experience, and I got placed. Thank you, Qspiders Punjagutta.